to practice amping up our divine knowing and our power of wisdom. So I invite you to take a seat and get comfortable in your chair. Feel the chair holding you up. We're going to do some of that meditation medication that the song was about. We're going to practice together, tuning into our divine guidance. And this practice you can do anytime, but we'll do it together. So get comfortable and close your eyes. And I'm just going to walk you through getting comfortable from the top of your head down to your toes. And then we're going to use our heart to access the divine wisdom. That is the doorway to our divine wisdom, our heart. That's the place where we can go in meditation to have access to divine wisdom, and then be aware of all the ways it shows up, like we've been talking about, all the different ways. But we'll see if we can get some clearer answers with this technique. So please close your eyes, take a seat, relax, get comfortable, take a big deep breath and release it. And when you take your next in breath, actually make a sound like whoa, and that actual sound brings you deeper into relaxation. And starting from the top of your head, relax your eyebrows and your forehead. Relax behind your eyes. Relax your tongue. Let that beautiful, relaxing feeling flow down your neck, into your chest, into your belly. Let it flow down to your hips, into your thighs, into your calves. And let it flow out the bottom of your feet. Take another deep breath in this deep state of relaxation. And put your hand on your heart. And picture in front of you a gentle flowing river of energy. Nice, slow moving, gentle. This is the river of divine, eternal wisdom. See if you can smell it. Feel it on your skin. What does it sound like? Can you sense its flow, deep, slow, and gentle? Breathe it in. Sense its flow and its energy. It's eternal wisdom. While you're with the river, I invite you to place your hand on your heart if it's not already there, because your heart speaks the language of this river. Your heart is the voice of this energetic, flowing river of wisdom. Now bring a question to your mind. A question that you have about yourself, about your life. Let anything pop into your head. And speak aloud. My question is, and fill in the blank. My question is, and And now we'll listen to what our heart says, our heart that has access to this deep, divine river of knowledge, river of wisdom. We'll do this 3 times. Say aloud, my heart says, and listen or sense the answer. Take your time with this. Let's ask again. My heart says, and a 3rd time. My heart says. See if you see an image or sense an answer. All forms of response are absolutely fine. Feel your heart, feel its connection to that inner consciousness, the home of our divine wisdom. Feel that divine wisdom flowing that you have access to at any time through your heart. And while you're still in this relaxed state of receptive consciousness, I'd like to offer an affirmation. I am well, strong, happy, and wise, because my source is all life, all love, all strength, and all wisdom. And with your next inhale, start to come back into the Zoom room with us, into the Facebook Live with us. Breathe in, recalling what your heart said in answer to your question. Breathing in, feeling better than before. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Breathe in, open your eyes, and welcome back. Look around and pay attention to the details of your computer screen and look at your hands and the contours of your fingernails. Look around the room. This will help you return back into the present moment. And I invite you, if you have paper nearby, you might want to jot down the answer that your heart gave you from that divine wisdom. You know, when I was growing up, we received a magazine called We Wisdom Magazine. I don't know how many of others of you recall that. They don't offer that anymore through Unity, but I really liked that when I was a little kid. I didn't know that it was also a book. I guess it came out of a book published in 1914 by Myrtle Fillmore, the other co-founder of Unity. And there's a poem in that book, in that story, that she uses twice. And that affirmation that I just shared comes from that poem. So let me say it one more time. So this is from We Wisdom's Way, from over 100 years ago, written by Myrtle Fillmore. And this one line from that poem is perfect for reinforcing today's power of wisdom focus. So I hope you're picking up what it's laying down. It is, I am well, strong, happy, and wise, because my source is all life, all love, all strength, and all wisdom. And so it is.